Before we can begin to recruit potential stem cell donors, it is important to know which donors are eligible to sign up. At our drives, we pre-screen for 4 specific criteria. Donors must be 1. Between the ages of 17 and 35. 2. In good general health. 3. Be willing to donate to anyone, regardless of race, religion, or background. And 4. Must have valid provincial healthcare coverage. We also prefer to recruit males rather than females. This is because research has shown that recipients receiving stem cell or bone marrow transplant from male donors have better outcomes than when receiving from female donors. There are many different strategies when it comes to recruiting potential stem cell donors. We will cover a number of these strategies in this video. The 2 most important objectives in terms of recruiting stem cell donors are 1. Getting the donor's attention, and 2. Briefly describing the role of a stem cell drive. Here is the first scenario.
Hey, will you marrow me?
Excuse me?
Will you marrow me? I'm volunteering with the Stem Cell Club to expand Canada's database of potential stem cell and bone marrow donors. 10 minutes of your time may just save a life. Would you like to learn more?
Sure.
There are many different opening lines that you can choose. So depending on the drive, use whatever works best, and feel free to experiment as you go. Also, remember to use posters and other sorts of visual aids to help draw attention to your stem cell drive. Here is a list of potential opening lines that you can use. Once you've gotten the donor's attention, you can tell them about the importance of a stem cell drive. Tell them about what they will be expected to do today, and also in the future, if they are found to be a match. Also, make sure to screen whether they are eligible to donate. We will continue this video from where we left off in the previous clip.
So, would you like to hear more about our stem cell drive?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so stem cells are cells that have the ability to become various types of cells. For example, blood stem cells can mature into all the different kinds of blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Sometimes certain diseases cause problems in the normal functioning of these stem cells. When this happens, we need healthy stem cells from healthy donors such as yourself. But we can't just take stem cells from anybody to treat a sick patient. The patient needs to find stem cells that are a genetic match to their own. Today, with our stem cell drive, we hope to find out that you will be the match that somebody has been looking for.
Okay, sounds interesting. What do you need me to do?
Today we're collecting cheek swabs from our donors. Basically, you'll be putting a cotton swab in your mouth and moving it back and forth against the inside of your cheek to collect simple cheek cells. The DNA from these cells will tell us whether or not you can help a patient in need.
Okay, what would happen if I'm found to be a match?
If you're found to be a match, there are 2 ways that you can donate. The first way that you can donate is by giving some of your blood, which is a process similar to blood donation. The doctors put 1 needle in your arm, they collect out the blood. Meanwhile, stem cells are filtered and collected, and the remaining blood is put back into your body from your other arm. Less frequently, stem cells will need to be obtained from your bone marrow. In order to do this, doctors will put you to sleep, and they will obtain bone marrow from the side of your hip using a needle.
Okay, I get it.
Do you think you would be willing to register yourself as a bone marrow and stem cell donor?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, great. I just need to ask some questions to confirm that you're eligible.
Okay.
All right. Are you between 17 and 35?
Yeah, I'm 24.
Are you in good health?
Yep.
Perfect. Would you be willing to donate to anyone in need regardless of factors such as race, religion, or background?
Definitely anyone.
And finally, do you have provincial healthcare coverage?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Thanks.
A more thorough explanation of the drive and donation process can be found in the next video, Securing Informed Consent.